Good morning, students. Students, today I will start the topic trigonometric function. Student, here you will learn about the angles and its measures. So there is an angle. Angles are measured in degree and radian. Student, pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. And value of pi is 3.14, so it is 180 degree upon 3.14. When we divide it, we will get 57 degree and 60 minutes. Now next is, it is the radian measure, next is degree. So 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. Right? Value of pi is 3.14 divided by 180. So we will get 0.01746 radian. It is a very small radian. 1 degree is a small angle and 1 radian is not small. It is about 57 degree and 60 minutes. On the basis of this, we can write degree and radian. 30 degree equal to pi by 6 radian. 45 degree equal to pi by 4 radian. 60 degree is pi upon 3. And 90 degree pi by 2. 120 degree 2 pi by 3. 135 degree 3 pi by 4. 180 degree pi. 270 degree 3 pi by 2. And 360 degree equal to 2 pi. Now come on the exercise. It is the exercise 3.1 in which we will learn about the radian measure. Question is, find the degree into radian measure. Question number 1, first part 25 degree. You have to convert 25 degree into radian. So it is 25 into pi upon 180 because 1 degree equal to pi upon 180. Then we will simplify it. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15 and 5 6 is 30. So it is 5 pi upon 36 radian. Next is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. It is minus 30 minutes means 0.5 degree. So it is minus 47.5 degree. Now we will write 1 degree equal to pi upon 180, so 47.5 upon 100 upon 10. Remove this decimal, so upon 10 into pi upon 180. Then this is cancelled by 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 9 is 45, 5 5 is 25. Then again by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 9 is 45. So it is minus 19 pi upon 72 radian. So these are the angles given in degree and their answers are in terms of radian. Students, now question number 2. Here you have to convert radian into degree measure. So it is find the degree measure. Question is 11 upon 16. Student, you must know that whenever numbers are given, so all the numbers are considered in radian. So 11 upon 16 is a radian. We have to convert this into degree. So 11 upon 16 into 180 degree upon pi, because 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7, so it is 22 into 7. And we will simplify it. 2 6 is 18 and 2 9 is 18. So it is 90 degree. Again by 3 2, 11 is 22 and 2 here 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 15. So it is 45 degree. Right? Now 45 into 7 is 315 degree divided by 8. This Then we divide this number by 8. So we will get 39.375. So it is 39.375 degree. Right? Now we will convert this into minute and second also. So we can write is 39 degree into 0.375 into 60 minutes. Now multiply these two terms, we will get 22.5 minute. Then we write 22 minutes, then 0.5 into 60 seconds, multiply by 60. So it is 30 seconds. So our answer is 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Now let's come on the third part. Second part is same as first part. In the third part, number is given 5 pi upon 3. Now we will multiply this number by 180 degree upon pi. Then pi cancel, or it is 5 upon 3 into 180, 3 6 18. So 5 into 60 equal to 300 degree. So 5 pi upon 3 equal to 300 degree. Student, now it is a question number 3. Question is, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Now see the solution. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. It means in 1 minute or 60 seconds, number of revolution equal to 360. Right? One revolution means 2 pi radian. So it is 360 into 2 pi radian. 60 minutes, 60 seconds equal to number of revolution equal to 360 degree into pi radian. This is the angle. And in 1 second, angle measured in radian equal to 360 upon 60 into 2 pi. Now 0 cancel, 6 6 36, 6 into 2 12. So it is 12 pi radian. So angle in 1 second equal to 12 pi. Now, student, it is a question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Student, there is a formula, angle equal to arc over radius. Here, arc measure is of 22 centimeter and radius is 100 centimeter. So it is 22 upon 100 radian. Now we will write 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi degree. So it is 22 upon 100 into 180 degree upon pi. Value of pi is 22 by 7. So it is 22 into 7. 22 cancel out. 0 cancel. 2 5 10 and 2 9 18. Then it is 9 7 63 upon 5 degree, or it is 12.6 degree. 12 degree 0.6 into 60 minutes. So it is 12 degree and 36 minutes. So angle measure in degree equal to 12 degree 36 minutes.